Welcome to Accent Mastery. Today we're going to learn how to pronounce the word for China in Mandarin Chinese. So the word is pronounced ZHONG, GUO, ZHONG, GUO, ZhongGuo, ZhongGuo. So let's analyze this piece by piece. First and foremost, let's remember that the ZH creates a J sound in Chinese. The O sound is relatively closed. The N is fully nine, and this is represented by the G at the end of it. In other words, the G is not pronounced, it's not ZHONG, and it's only there to underline the full nasalization of the N. ZHONG. ZHONG means center or middle. Guo means country. So China in Chinese means country in the middle or middle country, which was connected to the idea that from the point of view of the Chinese, the center of the world was indeed China. When it comes to the tone, the word ZHONG is first tone, so it's flat, relatively high-pitched, without exaggerating, and guo is second tone, so it's a rising tone, a bit like when you ask a question, if you will. ZhongGuo, China. The G at the beginning of the word for country is a little bit of a difficult one to master, because it's not really a G as in English. You don't really say GUO with a g. It's more in between a K as in the word skill, meaning a K sound that isn't aspirated at all, and perhaps some kind of G. A little bit in between. Now, if you find it really difficult to think of it as a K, and you end up aspirating and pronouncing quo, then at that point, it's better if you pronounce it as a G. As long as you don't aspirate after it, then you're okay. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe for more, and if you have any questions, feel free to ask.